Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're wondering how to use a Visa gift card on DHgate, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, including some important tips to make sure your card works smoothly. Let's get right into it. First is to choose the gift cards that you want. For example, this one. You can buy online. After you choose one, check the balance on your Visa gift card. You need to know exactly how much is on it because if your purchase is even a few cents over the balance, transaction might get declined. Next, register your Visa gift card online. Now head over to DHgate and make sure that you're signed in. Browse for the item that you want to buy and click Buy Now. Once you're ready to check out, go to the payment section. Choose credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter your Visa gift card details just like you would with a regular credit card. You'll get a confirmation email once the order goes through. If you get an error or the payment fails, don't panic. Try again or use a card on PayPal if the seller accepts it. And that's it. That's how you use a Visa gift card on DHgate. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.